Hey everyone! Are you feeling that itch to explore the world on your own terms? To experience something extraordinary? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving into the most incredible solo travel destinations for adventure seekers. These aren't just places on a map, they're gateways to self-discovery, cultural immersion, and unforgettable memories. Get ready to pack your bags because I'm about to share 5 destinations that offer stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and that crucial element for solo travelers, a safe and welcoming environment. Let's go. Our first stop takes us to the land of fire and ice, Iceland. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Iceland? Solo? Trust me, it's a match made in adventure heaven. Iceland is often called a hiker's paradise, and for good reason. Picture yourself trekking across glaciers, feeling the crunch of ice beneath your boots, with nothing but vast, otherworldly landscapes stretching out before you. And those iconic Icelandic waterfalls? They're even more awe-inspiring when you're standing before them, feeling the spray on your face. This country is steeped in folklore and mythology, adding a layer of magic to every step you take. Imagine exploring ancient Viking ruins or soaking in a geothermal pool under a sky ablaze with the northern lights. Iceland is incredibly safe and easy to navigate. Whether you rent a car and embark on a road trip along the ring road, or hop on a bus tour to experience the Golden Circle, getting around is a breeze. Icelanders are known for their warm hospitality, and English is widely spoken, so you'll feel right at home. Check out these incredible drone shots of Iceland's diverse landscapes. From the land of fire and ice, we're traveling south to the land of the rising sun, Japan. Now, Japan might seem like a surprising choice for solo travel, but let me tell you, it's an experience like no other. Imagine navigating bustling cities where ancient traditions meet futuristic technology, where you can wander through serene bamboo forests and moments later find yourself sipping tea in a vibrant, neon-lit district. Japan is incredibly safe. You can walk the streets at night without a worry, and the locals are incredibly respectful and helpful. When it comes to solo adventures, Japan has something for everyone. Are you a history buff? Imagine standing before the majestic Mount Fuji or exploring ancient temples in Kyoto. Or maybe you're a foodie. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with incredible street food, from steaming bowls of ramen to delicate sushi masterpieces. And for those who crave adventure, Japan delivers. Hike to hidden hot springs in the Japanese Alps, go skiing in Hokkaido, or learn the art of samurai sword fighting. One of the best ways to experience Japan is through its unique culture. Imagine yourself slipping off your shoes and entering a traditional tea ceremony, or witnessing the discipline and beauty of a sumo wrestling match. And don't get me started on the bullet trains. Japan's rail system is a marvel of efficiency, whisking you between cities at lightning speed. Next up, we're heading to the adventure capital of the world, New Zealand. If you're an adrenaline junkie with a thirst for the great outdoors, then this is the solo destination for you. Picture this: soaring mountains reflected in crystal-clear lakes, glaciers carving through ancient forests, and coastlines that will take your breath away. Whether you're bungee jumping in Queenstown or skydiving over Fox Glacier, the feeling of freedom and exhilaration is indescribable. But New Zealand isn't just about extreme adventures. Imagine yourself hiking through lush rainforests or kayaking through Milford Sound, surrounded by towering waterfalls and dramatic cliffs. One of the things that makes New Zealand so special for solo travelers is its welcoming and laid-back culture. Kiwis, as the locals are known, are incredibly friendly and always up for a chat. You'll find it easy to strike up conversations with fellow travelers and locals alike. Getting around? Easy peasy. Rent a camper van and hit the open road, stopping wherever your heart desires. And if you're a Lord of the Rings fan, New Zealand is home to countless filming locations from the movies. Imagine yourself standing on the rolling hills of Hobbiton, feeling like you've stepped right into Middle-earth. Get ready to be enchanted by Portugal, a country where ancient history blends seamlessly with modern vibes, where sun-drenched beaches meet charming cobblestone streets, and where solo travel feels like a beautiful, winding adventure. Imagine yourself wandering through the narrow alleys of Lisbon, the scent of freshly baked pastel de nata filling the air, or catching a fado performance in a dimly lit tavern. But Portugal is more than just its charming cities. Head north to Porto, the city that gave port wine its name, and lose yourself in the maze of colorful buildings that tumble down to the Douro River. Take a river cruise sip on some local wine and soak up the breathtaking views. For the beach lovers, Portugal's Algarve region is a dream come true. Imagine yourself basking on golden sands, the turquoise waters of the Atlantic Ocean lapping at your feet, or catching a wave on a surfboard. And if you're feeling adventurous, try surfing in Ericeira, a world-renowned surf spot. The locals are incredibly friendly and always happy to help, even if you only speak a few words of Portuguese. One of the best things about solo travel in Portugal is the food. Be sure to try a pastel de nata, a creamy custard tart that will satisfy your sweet tooth. Our final stop takes us to the Great White North, Canada. This vast and diverse country offers something for every kind of solo adventurer, from towering mountains and pristine lakes to vibrant cities and charming coastal towns. Imagine yourself standing at the foot of a towering mountain in Banff National Park, its snow-capped peak reflected in the turquoise waters of Lake Louise. Or picture yourself paddling a canoe across a glassy lake in Algonquin Provincial Park. The only sound, the gentle splash of your paddle and the call of a loon in the distance. Canada is a place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. Cities like Vancouver, Toronto, and Montreal offer a perfect blend of urban excitement and natural beauty. Explore world-class museums and art galleries, indulge in diverse culinary scenes, and soak up the vibrant energy of these cosmopolitan hubs. One of the things that makes Canada so special for solo travelers is its incredible sense of safety and welcoming atmosphere. Canadians are known for their friendliness and politeness, and you'll find it easy to strike up conversations with locals and fellow travelers alike. And for those seeking a unique cultural experience, be sure to explore Canada's Indigenous heritage. Whether you're seeking adventure in the great outdoors, cultural immersion in vibrant cities, or simply a chance to escape and reconnect with yourself, Canada has something for everyone. So there you have it, 5 incredible solo travel destinations that are just waiting to be explored. From the rugged landscapes of Iceland to the vibrant culture of Japan, the adrenaline-pumping adventures of New Zealand, the historical charm of Portugal, and the wild beauty of Canada, there's a solo adventure out there for everyone. Remember, solo travel is more than just visiting new places. It's about pushing your boundaries, embracing new experiences, and discovering the world on your own terms. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next solo adventure today. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your solo travel dreams. Safe travels and happy exploring.